Did you know the hardest thing a student ever learns has nothing to do with skill? For 3 years, he came at dawn. Every morning, the same gate. Every morning, the same silence. No reason given. No invitation offered. Just the cold wood of a door that never opened. He trained alone in the dirt outside. He bled. He sharpened. He waited. And every night he told himself tomorrow would be different. But on the morning of the 1095th day, something inside him finally broke. Not his will, his wanting. He stood up, bowed to the gate one last time, and turned to walk away forever. The hinges creaked behind him. The gate was open. He had spent 3 years proving his dedication, but the master was never watching his hands. He was watching his grip. The grip a man keeps on his own need to be chosen. The moment you stop needing the door to open is the moment you are finally ready to walk through it. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.